Conversations shouldn't be one-sided. That's why with Covideo, you have the option to allow video replies to your video messages. Once enabled, anyone that you send a video to will be able to send a video back from their computer or phone without needing a Covideo account. Video replies are great for many uses, such as collecting video testimonials. To get started, you first have to enable video replies in your Covideo account. Go to Tools, Video Reply Settings. Enable the setting and click Save. Now at the end of your videos, an icon will appear that the recipient can click on to record their own video. A new tab will pop up for them, showing the Covideo web recorder. They have settings of their own that they can change. Recording the video is easy, as all they have to do is hit the Start button. Once they've recorded their video, they can hit Send and fill out their info. An email with the video will then be sent directly back to you. In addition to being sent to you as an email, their video is also stored in your account in a separate folder titled Video Replies. You have the same access to it as all of your other videos. Replying to a video on mobile is similar to desktop. Clicking the icon will give you the options to record a new video or use an existing one. They can then record their video. When finished, clicking Use will prompt them to enter their info, a message, and send it off. Turn your video messages into video conversations with video replies from Covideo.